and welcome to Mechanics 2 with Lab. A very bad name for a very good course, because when you listen to the name, it really doesn't speak of much of what we're going to do. I remember when I was younger, when I was in high school and was about to join university, I read the curricula for the undergraduate program in physics and what I was going to start learning and the different subjects I was going to be enrolled in. Mechanics came up quite a bit, and I remember thinking when I was young, I hadn't studied formally physics before, what this meant. Right? It evokes in me memories of something you do when you need to fix your car, when you need to build a car. And maybe, possibly, that's still ingrained in you. Although this is the second course in mechanics, and I know by now, most of you know, that what we are going to do is learn about motion, the motion of bodies. Now, in this second course, what is great is that we're going to start complicating the different systems that we are going to study. So one of the things we're going to do is we're going to consider that systems are actually extended objects, that bodies have volume, they have a shape, and that sometimes this shape changes the way the energy that is put into a body is transformed into motion. So that's one of the biggest things that we're going to do in this subject, and we're going to expand the number of systems that we are able to study. We're also going to very much talk about things that are called invariants and constants of motion. We're going to try to use these and use the laws of conservation of energy, of momentum, to study motion and to better describe how bodies move around in space and time. Now, this is a foundational course. It's something that is going to help you for many other subjects. It's actually a core subject in physics, so it really is a good idea to pay a close attention unto all the material that we are going to be covering. I promise to try and make it as nurturing, as entertaining, as enjoyable as possible. It isn't a hard course, but it's not to be taken lightly. We need to concentrate, we need to work a lot, and I look very much forward to seeing in what ways you share and what are the new ideas that you bring to the course, and how all the material that you are going to generate for the course helps you develop a very good structure of our knowledge in physics. Now, as for the special aspects of the course, the administration aspects, most of them are going to be outlined in the syllabus, in the course notes, which you can find very near to where you find this video, in the Get Started module. I hope to put there not only technical aspects of the course, but also how we'll be grading, what I expect from you, and it basically boils down to doing a lot of work, doing it in time, doing the best you can. I expect only the best from you. And that will be different from student to student. I do realize that. But I know that all of you will be able to do the best work, because it's usually the case. Now, as for the grading, please look in the syllabus. There's going to be a lot of detail in what specifics I'm going to do to grade. There is, of course, always assumed that you are very honest about everything you produce, about everything you write, and everything you share with us. You will acknowledge when you are sharing something that is not originally yours, but that you are allowed to share. And you will point us in the direction of other material that you found useful, but that is not yours to share. Hopefully by the end of the course, we will get there and we will have a lot of new knowledge and be able to describe many more systems than the systems that are available to you now. Now, on the matter of how you can find me, please look at all my contact details. I am in a few social media outlets. I am in my office. You could always ring me on the phone. You can personal message me. You're free to use the forums, the comment forums, where I'm going to constantly be there checking out if anybody has any trouble, and I will answer messages both publicly and privately if that's what you prefer. I will have, I promise, when it's closer to the semester, we haven't really started yet, but I'm preparing this video beforehand, but I will have some office hours in which I will be available online, and you can come in and you can talk to me live, or we can always set up a date and we can chat if that's what you prefer. So, again, welcome. I'm sure we're going to have a wonderful time in this course. I hope you do your very best. I wish you all the best and happy learning. See you soon.